Welcome to JRTV. Now we can discuss about the palatal ulcers. Palatal ulcers are more common in chronic smoking habit. In chronic smoking habit, the patients will have so many ulcerative problems in the hard palate and the soft palate. Most commonly, the patients will suffer with this ulcers of this soft tissue, soft palate and hard palate. So so many bad habits, because the reverse smoking habit will enhance for getting this ulcerations of ulcerations onto the palatal region. In some cases, the artificial dentures, because of upper denture, in the ancient times, they used to put one suction disc at the center of this upper denture. So this the edge of the suction disc will be more injurious to this hard palate or soft palate of hard palate of oral cavity. It will induce injury to the hard palate of that particular patient. So suction disc, nowadays suction disc is removed, and that is out of this thing, because there will be constant irritation of this suction disc will injurious to this hard palate. So in chronic cases, this suction disc may continuously getting irritate the soft tissue, and there will be squamous cell carcinoma of hard palate. So this is also very causative factor for getting these palatal cancers due to this suction disc onto the denture surface, because some patients they will complaining of this the denture is falling down. Now they will say simply while chewing of food or sticky food or this high consistency food, if they chew the upper denture sometimes will fell down like that. So that complaint in a primitive stage, the dentist used to keep one suction disc onto the dorsum of this artificial processes of upper denture. So it will there will be vacuum so that it will stick onto this hard palate very tightly, and there will be ischemia, and there will be depletion of blood supply to the this supply onto the palate, onto the kidneys, onto the pancreas. So the patient never get any medical emergencies in future, because of this oral hygiene of the good oral hygiene of the patient. So the oral ulcers, sometimes there will be aphthous ulcers onto the soft palate, and onto the hard palate also will diminishing the taste of food. because the spicy food and the chill excess of frozen items, excess too much cold items and hot items can't take orally, because of there will be so much of ulcerations of soft palate and hard palate because of B complex vitamin deficiency, multiple vitamin deficiency and deficiency in so many cases, because in health debilitations and HIV patients will have more of these oral ulcers because of nutritional deficiency and due to lack of immunity, and there will be lichen planus onto the buccal mucosa on both sides and onto the palatal mucosa of hard palate and soft palate. So these ulcers can be according to the deficiency factors. If there is a B complex deficiency, B-plex multivitamin capsules once daily for 15 to 30 days, the patient, we can subscribe multivitamin capsules. If there is any deglutition problem, we can give the this multivitamin syrups also, and this green leafy vegetables also. Sometimes so much of B complex richness in batsali, so that all the vitamin B complex group will be more rich in these leafy vegetables. So iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc and vitamins and minerals and nutrients and poshak and so many essential elements will deplete this deficiency, will improve the oral hygiene, and the patient will get a recovery from these oral ulcers.